This is 3-color pattern. Now we are going to printing black color. After printing black color, okay, here we have to put ink here. After printing black color, okay, after printing second blue color, okay, here we have to put ink here. Okay. After printing second blue color, okay. After printing black and blue color, now we're going to printing red color. After printing red color, okay, we have to put UV ink or solvent ink here and then printing. This is color sensor, it can locate position automatic. After printing red color, okay. Okay.